Hi everyone, it's Jag Education. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 examples on how to earn money through YouTube as a student. I'm going to be talking about some subjects or contents that you could do, how you do it on YouTube, and 5 examples and an explanation for each example. I think that once you finish watching this video, I think everyone will benefit from this and hopefully you learn something new. So I know some of you as students can be very busy with all your schoolwork, homework, classwork, tests, quizzes, etc. But I provide with you great examples on how you can still make money. So, without further ado, let's get started into the video. So first, let's just open up YouTube. And let's talk about what content or what subjects can you make and create about on YouTube. There are 10 main fields of content that you can make on YouTube. And they are entertainment, music, vlogging, movies, gaming, education, funny, how-to, news, and health or physical education. So these are the 10 main subjects that you can create about on YouTube. Of course, there are so many things that you could do on YouTube, but these are the 10 main subjects. And honestly, making money on YouTube is a great thing that you should consider because on YouTube, it gets around 200 million views per month in total. So now, I'm gonna show you how you can make videos on YouTube through 5 examples and an explanation. So the first example channel is called Biohaza. This channel mainly posts content about business and stocks and marketing. So now, let's take a look at his earliest or oldest videos. So as you can see, he started making videos 2 years ago and now has 710,000 subscribers, which means he is very, very successful. And if you take a look at his most early videos, he posts about once every 2 weeks, which isn't actually very frequent. And now, let's take a look at his most popular videos. His most popular video is I tried Forex day trading for a week. And his second most popular video is how to gain 1,000 active followers on Instagram. So clearly he makes kind of like a business and marketing sort of type of videos. The second channel, as an example I'm sharing with you today, is called John Fish. The main content that John Fish makes is about his Harvard life because he is actually a Harvard student. And he makes weekly video essays about growth. So let's take a look at how long he has been making videos for on YouTube. If you go to his oldest videos, you can see that his first video ever was 6 years ago. And then he didn't really post very consistently because the next video he made was 5 years ago, so it took him another year to make one video. But then he started posting more and more consistently, and obviously he started growing more. And his early content was just about some educational things. He also made main content about how he got into Harvard. He also makes a lot of videos about just his daily life and kind of like vlog type styles. The third example channel I'm showing to you today is called Sienna Santer. So, The main content that she posts about is about Harvard, how to get in, and daily vlogs. As you can see here, her most recent video is about how to be productive. So she also kind of posts about education. Her oldest video was 2 years ago, so she started making videos 2 years ago, and she now has 471,000 subscribers. Her second upload actually got a lot of views, 1.5 million views. And that's probably what kind of made her famous. Her third video also did really well. So I would think that definitely helped blow up her channel. So these 3 examples, actually they have all face revealed and show their face very frequently on their channel. But I know some people out there probably respect their privacy a lot and aren't comfortable with revealing their face on the internet. So I have 2 more examples of YouTube channels who don't face reveal anything or reveal any personal information, and they still are extremely successful. The first channel for that is called Data is Beautiful. This channel has 1.33 million subscribers, so they are extremely successful. They post mainly content about data, and you can see that they are actually a student. Their videos all have like data graphs and are kind of moving, and his oldest video was 1 year ago, so he blew up pretty quickly. More than 1 million subscribers in 1 year is extremely impressive. Although he stopped posting after that 1 year, so they aren't really very active anymore. But you can see that their content is kind of presenting cool data in a very interesting way. And they make videos about most popular things and data about them. They actually make their videos with a website called Flourish, and it's just a data visualization website. So the final example today is a channel called Roy Labs Stats. This channel, along with Data is Beautiful, is more about statistics and data. As you can see, they also use interesting ways to present interesting data. Their channel has 848,000 subscribers, so they are very successful too, and they are very active. They are actually live right now currently and post pretty frequently, I think. So if you take a look at their most popular videos, the most popular video is called About the Coronavirus, and it has 1.6 million views. And if you see their Social Blade statistics, their monthly earnings that are just an estimate are actually pretty high. So trying to make money on YouTube is a very good option that you should definitely consider. So I'm going to, as a conclude the points that how you should make a YouTube channel and what things you should ensure before making a YouTube channel and starting your videos. So to make YouTube videos, I strongly suggest you that you do what you're interested and you are very, very passionate about. It should be something that you love and not something that you just like and just can give up any second. Because since YouTube is a long time journey, there are many examples of YouTube channels out there who are doing very well, but they all have spent years on their YouTube channel uploading frequently, so it's really something that you have to choose to commit to and commit to it for a long time. YouTube is great because you can just get started and start making videos on a low budget. You really don't have to spend that much to get your first video out there posted. There's literally practically no investments that you really have to make up front. Of course, you can like upgrade your equipment later on, getting a nice mic, getting a nice computer, etc. But it really, you don't have to spend a lot of money at first. So YouTube is also great because you can use your free spare time wisely, and you can be productive and get things done, make money using your spare free time that you might just be bored while doing something that you're hopefully passionate and you love doing. So to conclude this video, I hope you have learned something this video, and I hope that this inspired you in some way or helped you in any way possible, and I'll see you guys next video. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!